Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Brand24 and automate mention alerts with AI easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Brand24, open your web browser. Visit the official Brand24 website. Locate the download section on the home page. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button. Fill in your details to create an account. Confirm your email address by following the link sent to your inbox. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. To set up mention alerts, click on the Projects tab. Select Create New Project from the drop-down menu. Enter the topic or keywords you want to monitor. Set your project settings for frequency and sources. Choose whether you want to include social media, blogs, or news sites. Once your preferences are set, click Create Project. Brand24 will begin fetching mentions based on your criteria. To automate alerts, go to the Alerts section. Select Add New Alert to customize your notification settings. Decide how often you wish to receive alerts. Options may include daily or weekly. Choose your alert type, such as email or mobile notifications. Save your alert settings. Now, navigate to the AI Features section. Look for AI Mention Analysis or Sentiment Analysis options. Enable AI monitoring for enhanced insights. Configure any additional settings to tailor the AI functions to your needs. Review your setup in the dashboard to ensure everything is correct. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded Brand24 and set up automated mention alerts using AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.